Have you ever gazed upon a line follower robot and wondered, how on earth does this amazing piece of technology work? Well, today is your lucky day. We're going to unravel the mystery behind these fascinating machines and break down the process of creating a line follower robot in a step-by-step manner. First off, what is a line follower robot? It's a machine designed to follow a line, either a black line on a white surface or vice versa. The robot has sensors that can detect the line and navigate accordingly. Now that sounds pretty interesting, doesn't it? So how do we build one? Well, it all begins with gathering the necessary components. You'll need an Arduino Uno, a motor driver, infrared sensors, 2 DC motors, a robot chassis, wheels, a caster wheel, a 9-volt battery, and some jumper wires. Step 1 is assembling the robot chassis. This acts as the body of the robot, holding all the components in place. The DC motors are attached to the robot chassis, and the wheels are then attached to the DC motors. The caster wheel is added to the front to maintain balance. Step 2 involves connecting the infrared sensors to the Arduino Uno. These sensors will detect the line that the robot will follow. They are usually placed at the front of the robot to detect the line ahead. Step 3 is all about connecting the DC motors to the motor driver. The motor driver is an essential component as it controls the speed and direction of the motors. Step 4 is about establishing a connection between the Arduino Uno and the motor driver. This allows the Arduino Uno to control the motor driver and, by extension, the DC motors. Step 5 involves writing the code. This is the brain of the robot. The code will dictate how the robot responds when the infrared sensors detect the line. The final step, Step 6, is powering up the robot. Connect the 9-volt battery to the Arduino Uno, and voila! You have a fully functioning line follower robot. So, to summarize, the steps involved in making a line follower robot are 1. Assembling the robot chassis and attaching the motors and wheels. 1. Connecting the infrared sensors to the Arduino Uno. 1. Connecting the DC motors to the motor driver. 1. Establishing a connection between the Arduino Uno and the motor driver. 1. Writing and uploading the code to the Arduino Uno. 1. Powering up the robot. And there you have it. A line follower robot, ready to follow lines to the ends of the earth. Well, maybe not that far, but you get the gist. It's a fascinating process that allows you to delve into the world of robotics and really understand how these machines operate. Now, the next time you see a line follower robot, you'll know exactly what's going on under the hood.